How to create a product label design and product advertisement poster design in Canva. So let's begin. First, go to Google. Search Pacdora. Open the first website. Click on Mockup Generator. Go to Bottle and Jugs. Next, select Cosmetic Bottle Mockup. Choose a desired mockup. We need this pixel size to create our product label design. Now, open Canva. Click on Custom Size. Enter the design size. Click on Create New Design. Now, we will start our design. Go to Elements. Search for chamomile flowers. Click on Photos. Add a flower. Change the background to yellow. Add a square shape. Place it at the top of the canvas and expand it to cover the background. Change its color to white. Bring the flower to the front. Position it from left to right. Add your brand name. Make it uppercase. Change the font size to 30 pixels. Choose the Josephine Sans font. Make it bold. Set letter spacing to -50 pixels. Change its color to yellow. Type your product name. Choose the Moontime font. Change the font size to 50 pixels. Change the color to green. Adjust their position and group them. Add another text. Choose the breathing font. Set the font size to 15 pixels. Change its color to white. Next, add the product description. Set the font size to 10 pixels. And use the Josephine Sans regular font. Add a square shape. Change its color. Adjust its size and place it at the bottom of the text. Add text on it. Change the font size to 15 pixels and use the Josephine Sans semi-bold font. We'll add text below this box. Adjust its size and position. Our label design is ready. Download it in PNG format. Now, return to the Pacdora website. Click on Upload Images. Then click to upload. Add your image. Click on Save. In this way, you can easily design the label for any product. Click on Super Export, choose PNG and 4K. Click on Export Now to download the image. Open Canva. Click on Custom Size. Take 1080 by 1080 pixels. Click on Create New Design. Go to Uploads. Click on Upload Files. Add your PNG image. Go to Photos. Search yellow and black background. Add a background photo. Click on More, then set Image as background. Adjust its size to canvas. Go to Elements. Search chamomile flowers. Go to Photos. Click on More, then see more like this. Now, we'll add a flower. Place it in the top left corner. Adjust its size. Click on Edit, then Blur. Choose Whole Image. Set intensity to 80. Click Transparency and set it to 25. Duplicate it. Place it in different positions like us. Now, add your product image. Click on BG Remover to remove background. Place it on the right side. Adjust its size. Again, add the same flower. Place it on top of the product. Click on Edit, then Blur. Now, set intensity to 30. Duplicate one. Reduce its size. Place it on the bottom. Now we'll add some more flowers. Also, adjust their size and position. Change intensity to 50. Go to Elements. Search Shadow. Add a circular shadow. Place it at the bottom of the product. Next, search Black Transparent Gradient. Add a square gradient. Flip it vertically. Place it on the bottom of the canvas. Add text for the brand name. Make it uppercase. Choose Josephine Sans bold font. Set font size to 50 pixels. Take letter spacing to -50. Change its color to white. Adjust its position. Add the product name. Choose Moonlight font. Set font size to 80 pixels. Change its color to white. Place it below the brand name. Group them. Add discount text. Choose Noto Serif Ethiopic Condensed font. Set font size to 180 pixels. Change its color to white. Duplicate text and add percentage sign. Reduce font size to 50 pixels. Similarly, add off text. Make it uppercase. Next, add some description. Make it uppercase. Change color to white. Set font size to 25 pixels. Choose Josephine Serif regular font. Adjust their position. Our ad poster is ready. Download it in PNG format. Let's zoom in. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.